So yeah, just going to again, I'll just briefly cover this. So obviously it's going from a push behind, you end up sort of down here on your front prone position. Again, if you can come down, steady yourself here, the first thing you want to do is turn to look and then take a foot forward and get running, whatever way you want to do, or stand up. Good thing to drill, but what I like to, a good one to drill also is a Krav Maga press up. So if you're doing press ups, it's that position pretty much. So just to get you in the habit of looking behind, you're going to just do that with the head. So, I mean, here, press up, basically look behind. So I'm going to do, see how I can go near 50 or something. So come this way, that way, yeah. So it's a turn, look, 1, 2. Keep turning. Oh, it's faulty, so I'm on a break. There's a few different types you can do. So basically that's just getting that habit when you're in that position, just turning each side. But that gives me a little rest, but just to go through. So you come down, look, you take one leg forward. Okay, I mean, preferably knee in line with ankle, you know, but you're not always going to be checking out, are you? You know, basically this position to get up. But you can mix that in. On the last 10, I'm going to mix that in, so you can do the turn both ways. So just and then back down. Or you could literally just last one actually get up. But yeah, 50-ish there. Yeah, but the main thing, just getting that habit of turning the head. If you've got 2 or 3, you might be looking each way, but I'd say one look, get up straight away, speed to get up. Yeah, bang.